Cause we just tryna get it poppin', what's good? Yeah, yeah. You know all my bitches love it when we get turned. Oh yeah. And no, it ain't no turning down, baby.
Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna get straight into this review for Emerge, the natural hair care line from Target. I'm gonna start by lathering my hair with the shampoo. And child, I'm making all types of crazy faces because the way this shampoo was going on my head, it was not doing your girl any justice. Mind you, I did have a lot of buildup on my hair, so I knew that washing my hair would be a lot, like I needed a cleansing shampoo. But overall, it was okay. It just felt a little bit stripped, too stripped for my liking. It's so hard. It's like sitting on top of my hair, so it's hard for me to get all of the product out. So far, I just don't like how stripped my hair feels. It feels so dry, which is why I'm making so many different faces right now. So the curls were a little bit on the defined side, so that's a plus for this shampoo. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Emerge Back to Life hair mask, and let's see if this brings your girl's hair back to life. So I'm just parting my hair and plaiting it with the product lathered all over it. I want to make sure that every strand of my hair is completely evenly coated. While I'm waiting on that to just sit on my head, I'm going to mess with my dog who low-key hates me, but that's okay. And if I'm not doing that, then I'm going to be on Instagram. Probably going to be watching myself and my stories just because, I mean, if you're not your biggest supporter, then who will be, okay? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'm just taking down the plaids now just to see how the conditioner did well. I was interrupted by my fiance, so yeah, that's who I'm talking to. And it feels good. Honestly, the conditioner is pretty good. Out of the two, the shampoo or the deep conditioner, I would definitely rather keep the deep conditioner. And right now I'm just testing out and looking at if it's actually gonna make my hair frizz free. As you see on the top of my head, my hair is very frizzy. So the big question is, will I repurchase this or do I recommend buying this new line called Emerge from Target? I do not. I mean, I think if you have a certain hair texture, then cool, it'll work. I will not repurchase. Matter of fact, I will be returning one. Deep condition wasn't that bad. I am going to give this a try by itself again. So I'm going to hold on to the deep conditioner. But as far as the shampoo, I do not recommend. If you have dry, brittle hair or just hair that's prone to breaking off, I would not recommend using that shampoo. Those are my reviews for this product. So if you've tried this product line already, tell me what you think about it in the comments down below. Thank you so much for tuning in.